Every great structure begins long before the first foundation is poured. It starts with a question. What if this could be better? That single thought, born from curiosity and care, is what drives civil engineers to create the world we live in. Behind every bridge that connects cities, every road that brings people closer, and every system that keeps communities safe, there is a deep, unshakable passion. It is not a loud kind of passion. It is the quiet conviction that progress should leave something meaningful behind. What fuels your passion for engineering? Share it below. Your story might inspire the next generation of builders. Passion in civil engineering is a mix of imagination and responsibility. It is the willingness to spend hours perfecting a design that most people will never notice, just to make sure it endures through time. It is the pride in solving problems that no one else sees, ensuring that structures remain safe, sustainable, and efficient. This kind of passion turns technical expertise into something human, a language of trust between engineers and society. The profession itself demands balance, between creativity and precision, between ideals and limitations. Engineers often stand at the intersection of art and science, translating human needs into tangible forms that define how communities grow. The roads that connect, the drainage systems that prevent floods, the urban layouts that encourage harmony, all are born from a blend of logic and empathy. Civil engineering at its best is not only about solving problems but also about imagining a better way of living together. That energy has built some of the most transformative innovations in modern infrastructure. From water systems that sustain life to resilient urban developments that withstand natural challenges, civil engineers carry the weight of both precision and purpose. Their work requires not only knowledge but also a rare combination of patience, integrity, and foresight. In a profession where every detail matters, passion is what keeps the pursuit of perfection alive. The same spirit has also shaped organizations that value engineering not as a service, but as a calling. AXA Engineers is one of them, a firm that believes engineers can only deliver lasting results when they thrive, not merely perform. With a philosophy centered on human growth and technical excellence, AXA Engineers has become an example of how passion can evolve into culture. It is this balance of skill and sincerity that has earned the company recognition from global institutions like Autodesk, affirming that true engineering success is always rooted in purpose. Passion also reveals itself in the way engineers respond to change. Technology evolves, design standards shift, and the demands of modern cities grow more complex each year. Yet the essence remains the same. Engineers continue to build with heart. The modern era of civil engineering is not only about automation or data-driven models, it is about using these tools to serve people more effectively. Behind every innovation is still that same timeless motivation: to improve lives through structure, to make the invisible effort count for something visible and lasting. Perhaps what defines passion most clearly in this profession is resilience. Every project faces uncertainty, design revisions, environmental constraints, or the unexpected lessons of failure. But those who truly love what they do see challenges as invitations to grow. Passion turns obstacles into breakthroughs and transforms routine into progress. That persistence is the foundation of every enduring landmark on Earth. Civil engineering, at its core, is an act of giving back. It is how humanity learns to coexist more harmoniously with the world it inhabits. The roads we drive on, the drainage systems that protect us from floods, and the public spaces that bring communities together, all are built from countless moments of care. Passion is not measured by applause. It is reflected in the quiet satisfaction of knowing that something built today will stand strong for generations. In this journey, companies like AXA Engineers remind the world that passion is most powerful when shared, when knowledge is passed forward, when teamwork replaces ego, and when every success becomes an opportunity to uplift others. Passion, after all, is what keeps the world standing. It shapes cities, connects people, and defines legacies. The future of civil engineering will belong to those who continue to build with both heart and vision. Because when passion fuels purpose, every blueprint becomes a story worth telling, and every structure becomes proof that human dedication can shape the world for the better. What keeps your passion for engineering alive? Tell your story in the comments. Your journey might be the spark someone else needs to start theirs.